What up, you guys? So after doing the governor delete, when I removed my flywheel, the camshaft popped out. Then the valves dropped. I lined everything back up with the camshaft and the holes and the dots, pushed the valves back in, but now I'm getting this. Maybe I have an air leak, or it's the compression, or maybe the flywheel is not tight enough, or maybe the clutch is not on tight enough. So I got a lot that I'm not understanding. If you guys could give me some help, advice, some comments, hit me up. Thanks.